Whether on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, accessing iCloud contacts is relatively simple, requiring just a few easy steps. Through this video, we will explore how to easily access and manage iCloud contacts, allowing users to make the most of this convenient feature. Way 1. How to access iCloud contacts with Doctor for iOS. In the first part of this post, we'll guide you through accessing contacts directly from iCloud. For this purpose, we highly recommend utilizing the professional tool Doctor for iOS. To access iCloud contacts using Doctor for iOS, follow these steps. Step 1. Launch Doctor for iOS. Step 2. Download iCloud synchronization files. Step 3. Begin viewing iCloud contacts on your computer. Way 2. How to view contacts in iCloud via iCloud.com. Visit iCloud.com and sign in using your credentials. Select Contacts from the menu. You'll be able to see all the contacts synced to your iCloud account. Click on the Edit button to view and make changes to contact information. Any edits made will be synchronized across all devices using the same iCloud account. To export contacts to your computer, click on the Settings button in the bottom left corner and choose Export via card. This will save the contacts to your PC. Way 3. How to check contacts on iCloud via iCloud Control Panel. Install iCloud for Windows on your PC. Open the iCloud Control Panel and sign in using your Apple ID and password. If you only want to view contacts, uncheck the box next to Mail, Contacts, Calendars, and Tasks. Then click Apply. Way 4. How to see iCloud contacts in iCloud Backup. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, General, Reset. Then select Erase All Content and Settings. This action will reset your device, preparing it for the backup restoration. Ensure you've previously backed up your device on iCloud. After resetting, on the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign into iCloud. Proceed to choose Backup and select a backup from the available iCloud backups. Your iCloud contacts will be visible once the restoration process is complete. Way 5. How to get contacts on iCloud to iPhone. Launch Settings and tap on iCloud. Disable Contacts. When prompted, choose Keep on my iPhone. Toggle contacts back on and select Merge when prompted. After a short while, your iCloud contacts will be integrated into your iPhone contact list.